looks to reopen later this week, safety and security will be on the forefront of everybody's minds. North Coast Security in Fremont offering up a possible solution that can provide facial recognition and body temperature readings for people in a matter of seconds. It's called SpeedFace from the biometrics technology company ZK Teco. This device uses its camera and thermal sensors to detect body temperatures from up to 18 inches away.
In order to relax, restaurants and bars and medical facilities, retail outlets, I don't really know of a commercial place that wouldn't have a use for this. If nothing else, then to give their employees the warm and fuzzy to come back to work. And, at least you're not taking everyone's word that they took their temperature before they came to work. You get it right there.
North Coast Security says the device is at high demand as local manufacturers, medical facilities, and places of business look to get employees back to work and customers back into their buildings. The latest Michigan